Hi there, welcome back to ChuoLink, your trusted guide to choosing the right university course and shaping your future. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating field that combines creativity, engineering, and the power of the sea, the bachelor's degree in Naval Architecture and Offshore Engineering. If you've ever been amazed by ships, oil rigs, or even underwater structures, and you love solving complex problems with science and design, then this course might be just what you're looking for. Let's break it down step by step. So what exactly is Naval Architecture and Offshore Engineering? This course is all about designing, building and maintaining ships and offshore structures, like cargo ships, oil platforms, and wind farms in the ocean. You'll learn how these massive structures float, stay stable, move efficiently, and withstand harsh ocean conditions. It's a career that lets you shape the future of the maritime and offshore industries, especially in countries like Tanzania, where the maritime economy is growing fast. Let's talk about what you'll study. The curriculum covers both theory and hands-on engineering. You'll study core modules like ship design, where you learn how to sketch and model different types of ships. Marine dynamics, which helps you understand how waves, wind, and water affect ships and platforms. Structural analysis, where you calculate the strength and stability of ship structures. Offshore engineering, covering the design of offshore platforms, oil rigs, and renewable energy structures. Propulsion and power systems, where you explore engines and systems that move ships efficiently. It's like building with Legos, but on a much bigger and more technical scale. By the time you graduate, what will you be able to do? Well, you'll be able to design ships and floating structures that are stable, fuel-efficient, and safe. You'll understand how to make offshore platforms that can survive decades at sea. You'll be skilled in using engineering tools to solve real-world problems, and you'll also learn how to work in teams, analyze technical data, and apply environmental considerations in your designs. Most importantly, you'll be ready to contribute to marine safety, innovation, and sustainable ocean development. Now, what kind of careers can you pursue with this degree? The opportunities are vast and exciting. You could become a naval architect designing ships for transport, tourism, or defense. Offshore engineer building and maintaining oil rigs, wind turbines, or underwater stations. Marine structural engineer, ensuring ships and platforms are strong and durable. Subsea engineer, working beneath the waves on pipelines and systems. Shipbuilding project manager, leading construction projects in shipyards. You could also work with government maritime agencies, shipping companies, or renewable energy firms. What makes this course unique? It's a perfect blend of engineering, creativity, and adventure. You're not just solving problems on paper. You're building structures that face some of the toughest environments on Earth. But here's the challenge. You'll need strong skills in math, physics, and problem solving. The course is technical and hands-on, requiring precision and attention to detail. But if you're up for the challenge, it's incredibly rewarding, and opens doors to careers across the globe. Thanks for watching. If you're passionate about ships, the sea, and solving real-world engineering problems, then Naval Architecture and Offshore Engineering could be the perfect course for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ChuoLink, and share it with a friend who's exploring university options. And remember, if you ever need personalized support, just reach out to the ChuoLink team. See you in the next video.